My name is Valerie.
And Olivia.
And today we are going to be opening the February OwlcrateJr box. And the theme is
Write it down.
So, for the Write It Down themed, I made a scavenger hunt and I wrote down some clues for Olivia. So that is how we are going to do the unboxing.
Yeah.
And the clues are a bit tricky, so Olivia can ask me for help 3 times. I won't tell her the answer, but I'll give her a clue.
Yeah.
So, let's get started. Olivia's clue number 1 over there.
Clue number 1. Soft and plump. I will be right here. Throughout your dreams, you will keep me near.
Good job. Okay, so what do you think? What's soft and plump? What's soft and like
Fat.
fluffy? What's soft and let's just say fluffy. What's soft and fluffy? And then throughout your dreams.
Like a bed.
Where do you think that is?
My bed.
Let's go. You lead, Olivia.
Okay.
Go. Ooh, Olivia's bed.
So, let's see. Ooh.
Show everybody what it is.
It is like a pencil case. Yeah. And there's pencils, and erasers on them. So cool.
Okay, next clue.
Clue number 2. Time to chill, time to think. Please go here for a cool and a cold drink.
Time to chill. Here, think about it one more time, Olivia. Drink. Where's a cool and cold place that you can go for?
Refrigerator.
Good job!
Let's
I don't
go.
know. I don't know if it's right, but let's go.
Let's go. To the fridge.
Woohoo! Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, it's a notebook, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to read this? What does this say?
If they give you ruled paper, write the other way.
Nice. Cool.
Clue number 3. Jump inside the water's fine.
Mhm.
If not, just take your time. Move the knobs and get it right. I will make sure you're clean every night.
Okay, what makes you clean, Olivia?
Bath. A bath.
So, where are we going?
To the tub. Let's go.
Okay. Where am I going?
Okay. Now I think I can. Ooh.
What is it? Ooh, yeah, it's like flashcards with a lot of great words. Like the teacher owl is saying flabbergasted. She's like, wow, right?
Oh,
So
yeah.
cool.
Clue number 4. I make music with my keys. I make beautiful sounds when you play, and you get better day by day.
What do you play? Like, I think it's an instrument.
Like,
What do you play?
piano.
Yeah!
Let's go! Let's go to the piano! I love it.
Yay!
It's a diary of a wimpy kid bag. Woohoo! Put it in. Whoop, 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 whoop. Bruh, bruh,
And 2.
and 3.
Here, hold it.
Okay. No,
Other side.
other side.
Woohoo!
Okay. Clue number S.
Number 5.
Clue number 5. You will find me on top a long bookshelf near a kitchen place.
Bookshelf.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay.
It's my kitchen.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh.
Kitchen.
Oh.
Ooh.
This is so cute. Look. It's so cute.
Here, I'll help you hold this.
Valerie, can you help me put it on?
Yeah. Okay. So there are 2 different pins. One's a pencil, and one's like one of those things where you type it, like in the old-fashioned days. You would type it, and then it like printed out for you. It like.
I want this one.
How about we put both? Let's put them like badges.
Yeah.
Yeah. This other one is old-fashioned printing. So now we have 2 badges. Yay! Okay. Clue number
6.
Yep.
Clue number 6. This is a place where you study near a desk. Let's go.
The book is in there. Yay! And also some other cool things. Good job, Olivia. You completed the quest of finding all of the OwlcrateJr box items. Good job. High five. Woohoo! Okay, so we have the book here with, of course, the letter and the signed sticker. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the cover of the book. It's called The In-Between. It's by Rebecca K.S. Ansari. And Olivia is going to help me put the book plate right here.
Okay.
Here. And put it straight. Here, and then I'll. Yay! Good job, Olivia. Good job. And also, she gave us a sticker. Do you want to show the sticker, the tiger sticker? She loves the tiger sticker.
I am gonna have it too. Oh, I see.
Okay, and find you the letter that the author gave us. Yes. Okay.
The letter.
And it says, Dear OwlcrateJr readers, you should know 2 things about me. 1, I am a little sister. My older brother is one of my favorite people, and he was the guy I sometimes wanted to chuck out of a window. We would fight like wild animals, then later camp out in the backyard, giggling late into the night. As with most siblings, we were stuck with each other. We had to work it out, even when he thought I was annoying and I thought he was being a jerk. 2, I love a good mystery.
and little magic always sweetens the deal. In the in-between, you will see reflects of my brother and I, as Cooper and Jess are siblings dealing with a really tough family situation in two very different ways. But unlike my life, Cooper and Jess find themselves in the middle of a series of unsolved mysteries far more intriguing and dangerous than any I've ever faced. That is the joy of being an author. I can take reality and imagination and mash them into something bigger. When you are done reading, please check out the author note and see the other way I blended reality and imagination. Enjoy! Rebecca Ansari. This sounds like a great book about magic and also real life family situations, and I can't wait to read it. And that boy on the cover is probably Cooper, and that girl is Jess. Sometimes I can relate to this letter about siblings. We fight a lot, but we always figure it out. So I really want to read this book. Yay. And also we have some stickers by Jeff Kinney. So yeah, that's cool. And finally, the theme of the March OwlcrateJr is
Elephant on the Parade.
yay, so cute. And we are celebrating Earth's largest living animal next month, the majestic elephant. Next month's book pick is an inspiring contemporary story all about family being separated from loved ones and the heartwarming impact of a human-animal connections. The story will be perfect for fans of the one and only Ivan, Counting by Sevens, and Because of Winn-Dixie. Yeah, oh my gosh, first of all, I love the one and only Ivan and Because of Winn-Dixie. I haven't read Counting by Sevens yet, but I can't wait to check this book out and read the book and the March OwlcrateJr books. Yay! I hope you guys enjoyed watching our scavenger hunt. And also, I can't wait to unbox the March OwlcrateJr box. Besides, Olivia, what do you like most in this box?
Just one.
Nice. I think I like the journal. And also probably the pencil pouch. The journal is right here. And the pencil pouch. I'm going to use this pencil pouch at school. So, yeah.
I like this one and these two.
Okay, anyways, bye!